Hi, welcome back to my channel. To create this type of text effect in Photoshop, first select the Type tool and write your text. I am using this font. Next, right-click on the text layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Place the text over the image. Press Ctrl+T to transform it. Rotate it as needed and scale it while holding the Shift key. Right-click and select Warp. Then choose a default grid and adjust it to match the curve of the background image. When satisfied, press Enter. Now Ctrl+click on Text Smart Object to make a selection. Hide this layer. Select this layer and click on the Layer Mask. While mask is selected, click on the Brush tool and set the hardness to 100%. Make sure the foreground color is set to white, then stop brushing. That's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe and check out more.